Video presentation. Aprendiz de la metafísica y los medios, Introducción nacional, cosa llamada Servicio Nacional de Aprendizaje Técnico del Ciudad Integral Cliente, año 2020. High Present Santa Cruz de Mompós. 1. What is in location? Mompós is located in the department of Bolívar in North Gerais, Colombia. It is municipal local of Margaret Island in the Mompós Depression. 2. What is it like? Mompós as platform in the if there are places in the world where magical realms thrive in this beautiful town on the banks of the Magdalena River. Its colonial streets evoke the sense of every window tells a story, and every gateway wise to be opening to immerse us in the daily traditions of Mompós life. 3. What elements are three? In the History Center of Santa Cruz de Mompós, you can find a rich combination of colonial, regional, and cultural architectural elements, high-rise including the Church of the Immaculate Conception, the Church of Santa Barbara, the Convent of San Francisco, and the Church of San Agustin. The architecture reflects Andalusian influence, with these oaks and buildings wrapped around central courtyards. Other notable features include the Albarrada del Campillo and the Statue of Liberty. The city is also surrounded by the beautiful Magdalena River. 4. Describe an important element of the place in detail. Santa Cruz de Mompós is a destination that offers an unique experience where history, culture, and nature interweave to create a magical and welcoming atmosphere. 5. What section does the prize transmit? Is precise in favor of a distance for 10 plans to so Amazon Mompós after a long journey seems to lead nowhere. You discover in this incredibly well-preserved colonial city the architecture of the mansions and palaces is spectacular, the colors beautiful, and churches charming, above all in the world-friendly and ancestral plans of the Mompós residents who travel no big car by bicycle. 6. Personal opinion. I decided to choose Mompós because it's a very beautiful tourist area that stands on in the municipality as a wonderful with and transmitting a lot the peace and personal level as well in the interior. The Spister Bay district in as important tourist areas and visits from many tourists from all over the world in addition to having the jazz festival that takes place every year. Thank you.